is the traditional and unceded territory of the Kanyankehaka Mohawk, a place which has long served as a site of meeting and exchange among nations. I would also like to take this opportunity of public speech to express solidarity with the brave women of Iran, support for the defiant protesters, including fellow academics and students in and outside of Iran is really important. And I think that is one of our obligations as the scientific community to also show our support to that bravery. With that said, I'd like to welcome you to the 6th edition of the main conference. We started in 2017. We've been doing this every year, and we're really excited to see the community grow. This year, we have over 900 participants. That was the number, I think, last night, and the online registrations are still open. We have roughly 250 people that have registered in person, and 650 roughly that will be online attendees over the course of the 2 days. So welcome to everyone. We have here a few numbers just showing you where the online attendees are from. And this is, again, always a very big source of pride for Maine conference. This year, we have attendees online. They're going to be with us over the 2 days from 55 countries. And you can see here, obviously, most of them are from Canada, but also United States, Germany, and France. I'm just going to show you here a breakdown of the top 20 countries where the attendees are online. Very nice to see in this top 20. Also attendees, for example, in India, in Iran, in China, Spain, Argentina, Italy, Turkey, Belgium, Egypt, Finland, and also Morocco. And because I said Morocco, I also want to congratulate the Moroccan team have made it to the semifinals of the World Cup. So congratulations. And so there are probably some people with us from Morocco right now. So félicitations. This is a quick video just to give you an overview of where our online attendees are from. So that's the epicenter, Montreal. And you can see across North America, Mexico, and South America. And then we're traveling now to see where the other hotspots are. So we have some in Africa and Europe. So all those dots there represent the people that have signed up with us. And we're very excited about this. And it's really a pride for us to be organizing an event that is open and free of cost for anyone that wants to join us every year. So with this, I will encourage everyone that's online to just post a hello and tell us from where you are right now, just what city you're in, so that other attendees on the chat can see that. And again, welcome to everyone. I'm going to say a few words now about the scientific program. So we have this year 3 keynote lectures that we're very happy to have, 12 lectures, 3 panel discussions, 2 lightning talk sessions, one on Monday, one on Tuesday, and no less than 48 posters that have been accepted out of those that were submitted. Our keynote lectures this year are Dr. Kafui Duraza from Duke, Ev Fedorenko from MIT, and Michael Graziano from Princeton. The 3 panels we have, the first one is going to be today, and that's Building Sentient Machines with Joshua Benjo, Michael Graziano, and Aaron Schurger. The second panel will be at the end of the day today. It's organized by the students of the Unique Center, and it's around career perspectives in neuro AI with Julie Boyle, Flavie Lavoie-Cardinal, Shahab Bakhtiari, and Angela Tam. And then tomorrow we have the third panel, which is about the future of neuro AI, specifically through the lens of early career researchers with Mohamed Abdelhaq, Izzy Belgin, Tyler Bonnen, Chris Mzue, and Laura Suarez. A quick word about the main organizing committee. This year, the people that you can see here are all on the organizing committee. Flavie, Shahab, Andrea, Pierre, Doina, Jean-Marc, Guillaume Lajoie, Irina, Blake, Batislav, myself, and we had a lot of help, of course, from Josefina Rossel, our coordinator. She has been fantastic, and she has been really doing a lot of work for us on weeks and weeks, together with Chantal Sima also. We wouldn't be able to do this without the amazing logistics dream team that we managed to put together every year, and this year the team is even more dreamy and fantastic. I will not go through all the names, but these are the fantastic people that make the magic happen. So thanks to them once again. We had 2 days of educational sessions that already started on Friday. So Friday and Saturday, some of you were attending the educational sessions either online or in person. It happened at the CRUGM. And that's also a fantastic team that put this together with an amazing team of volunteers that you can see on the screen. And also amazing speakers and instructors, some of whom were online, others were in person here in Montreal to give those educational sessions that we feel are an important part of Maine, because we are really convinced that the synergy between neuroscience and AI is really going to happen thanks to the new generation that's going to hopefully have more and more bilinguals, i.e. those that speak both neuroscience and AI. Just a few housekeeping things and some practical aspects to the meeting about asking questions. So if you're going to be here in the room, we have microphones that you can use to ask your questions. So I just recommend that please just say your name and then ask your question. If you're online, you'll see it's a Zoom webinar. So there's a Q&A, question-réponse that you can use, and you use that tab and then you can post your question. And I believe you can also upvote questions if you feel there's a question that you really like to hear the answer to. So you go ahead and upvote those questions. And then we have a moderator from the team that's going to be also following on Zoom that will communicate with the chair here to make sure that your questions also get asked to the speaker. Keep an eye on the main website for any updates, specifically if you're following us online. This is the first time that we try the fully hybrids, both in person and online, both for the speakers and for the attendees. So it is possible that you might have a technical glitch. If so, if there's something that you need to know, we will post it live on the website, so you can just check that out. We have also, like the last 2 years, we've created the Neuro AI job board on our website. So if you have a position in your lab, or if you're looking for a position, make sure to check that out. I think so far there are not so many postings yet, but the idea is that through the course of these 2 days, that PIs will be posting any opportunities they have in their labs. And also students, feel free to go there and see if there's anything that is of interest to you. We have a code of conduct like every year. So Maine is committed to hosting this conference in a safe, inclusive, and a welcoming environment for everyone. Be considerate, respectful, collaborative, and both in speaking and listening, and no discrimination, intolerance, harassment, or aggression will be tolerated. There's the full code of conduct on our website. Now, this is a warning to speakers. Some of you have seen this in the past. Make sure you don't go over time. If you start speaking for too long, there might be an angry panda that's going to come and get you. So try to avoid that by all means. This would not be possible without our sources of funding. So primarily the funding that goes to the Unique Center, which is supported by the Fonds de Recherche Nature et Technologie, FRQ. And so also the Unique Center has benefited from important support from the Université de Montréal. Programs such as the IVADO Apogee program, but also support from McGill, the Applied AI Institute at Concordia, the Cerebrum Initiative, and the Institut Intelligence et Données in Quebec. Okay, so now I'm going to switch gears, and it is my pleasure to welcome Dr. Yves Joannette, who's the vice-recteur adjoint, Recherche, Découverte, Création et Innovation at Université de Montréal, to give a short word of welcome to you.
Merci. Merci, Karim, et bienvenue à cette 6e édition de cette conférence très spéciale qui a fait ses premiers pas en 2017. C'est vraiment à l'interface entre l'intelligence artificielle, l'intelligence humaine, celle qui est mon propre domaine de recherche, et tout ça à l'initiative du Centre unique. Cet événement est définitivement le résultat de la vision du directeur, Karim Jerbi, que je salue, et aussi de tous ses collègues des forces de l'Université de Montréal en intelligence artificielle et aussi en neurosciences. Le tout en collaboration avec 4 des programmes apogées, ces programmes qui sont IVADO, Healthy Brain, Healthy Life, de nos collègues McGill, Sentinelle Nord de l'Université Laval, l'Institut Transmedtech, piloté par Polytechnique, mais aussi MILA, ici à Montréal, l'IDD à Laval, Applied AI Institute de Concordia. Tous, merci d'être présents. The Office of the Vice Principal Research of the University of Montreal would like to thank the Unique Center, led by Karim Jerbi, and those initiatives I just mentioned for this remarkable event. Thanks as well to the Unique team, and it's definitely a unique team, and that allowed for this event to be full alive this morning here and today on the campus Mill, and in particular, as mentioned, Josefina and Chantal. So this 6th edition of the Montreal AI and Neuroscience meeting, which is the first hybrid approach, one post-pandemic, and allows the human to actually meet and discuss. Part of you are here, and please take advantage of this. Outside Montreal in Canada, there's also those that were mentioned by Karim who will be attending. So not only Maine is a unique conference that allows you, experts, to exchange on the latest developments and those to come, but it is also an opportunity for training in an area where the knowledge evolves at light speed. In this respect, I underline the contribution of the unique students in preparing and implementing those workshops and panels. So I wish all of you a superb 2 days in our cold Montreal of discussion and sharing. Only if we do so openly, generously, and in a responsible manner, will the human intelligence benefit from the artificial one and vice versa. So these 2 main days represent another example of the leadership of Montreal and the whole Quebec province for a responsible AI that will help the human and artificial intelligence together to face the many challenges that the world is facing in health, in green economy, and in biodiversity, which is in fact the topic of another meeting elsewhere in Montreal currently through the COP15. So excellent meeting to all of you. À vous tous. Merci.
And now we will have a quick word by Dr. Houari Sahraoui, who is the Vice Dean of the Faculty of Arts and Sciences of the Université de Montréal.
Thanks. I will try to be as brief as possible. I don't think you are here to listen to my speech. Chers collègues, chers amis, first of all, welcome to this Mill campus. This is really impressive that 2 of the flagship disciplines in Montreal and at UDM, namely AI and neuroscience, are putting their effort together to produce probably one of the most impressive initiative of cross-fertilization. So I saw many disciplines trying to collaborate, but usually is only one way, one discipline helping the other. In this case, and I had a look to the program, and I see how both disciplines are trying to enrich each other. I would like to thank the organizing committee, namely Karim, Pierre, Shahab, Andrea, Guillaume, Flavie, Jean-Marc, Bratislav, Dowena, Blake, Irina. So all these people are putting their effort together to have one of the most impressive 6th edition of a conference. So welcome again to Montreal and have fun.